Good morning, everybody. I am here today to give you a hair tutorial on how to amplify your curls with minimizing frizz. I know that we do have a product, the Moxie Magnifying Mousse, that adds volume. It doesn't add very much crunch. It is a lightweight mousse, if that's what you want to call it. A lot of people use it just to add body into their hair. But for people like me who have already a lot of volume or just want to tame down your curls, as you can see, I just washed my hair. I'm going to show you my go-to products on how to get more of that crunch hold that you miss with a traditional mousse. Okay, so prior to doing this video, I have washed twice with the smoothing shampoo, once with Renew. I did a hydrating mask for 10 minutes in my hair, and then I also finished with a conditioner. So the mask, you are adding in that hydration. The conditioner, you're locking it in, right? So until my next wash, I'm not going to open my hair cuticle anymore. We want that hydration to stay in there. My water where I live is very harsh. We have very harsh water. We do have a salt system going through our house, but regardless, it still is not, it's not good water, period. You know, regardless of how water softener, how much salt we use, like it's just not the same. Plus living in Colorado, the climate, it's just dry. It's just that dry time of year. We're going into November and my hair and skin is very filling. We're really feeling it. So up until this point, all I did was comb through with a wide tooth comb just to minimize breakage, as well as leave the body that I currently have without damaging it or straightening it, right? So I'm going to start with the air dry cream. This air dry cream is amazing. I love it because it helps reduce frizz. So I'm going to start, I would say with that much. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. I have thick hair, so I'm just going to put it in the ends. I'm not going to put it in the root because I don't want my roots to be oily and have more product than they actually need. So I am going to scrunch it up, scrunch it in there, wipe my hands through, and then continue. What I love about these products is that I can go ahead and do a curly look. I think I'm going to put a little bit more up here. I can do a curly look, tomorrow re-wet it, and still have the curl and the holds that I have today. I could last about 3 to 4 days with this hairstyle. So again, it all depends on the products that you're using. So that is the air dry cream. Put that on first. Give it a minute. Sorry, I'm trying to do this while looking. Okay. Next, this Restyle Instant Sculpting Taffy. I love it. It smells amazing. It gives you hold. So like for my son, I'll use this when I don't want to have a hard hold with the gel, but I want him to have style. So his hair could be out of his face. All you do is, you know, with my son, I just heat activate it, run it through a blow dryer, and then use a comb or a brush, depending on what it is. So it'll hold your style without the crunch. I just think that this really amplifies your curls without adding volume as well. So I think I'm using more than I should, but my hair is longer than the last time I did this. So I'm using that much. And this Tassel Texturizing Mist. This is the combo that I have felt works for my hair to amplify my curls, again, without that volume. This mist is not a mist. It is a stream. So if you use it, make sure that you are using it in the palm of your hand and then working it through your hair, because if you spray it, you're not going to get the effects that you want. If that makes sense. So I'm going to show you. I'm probably going to do, I think I did 5 pumps. So I'm going to mix that together, emulsify it. And this combo is where you're going to get that crunch. So I don't know if you can see it. Now, I'm going to just start scrunching it up, putting it through my curls. It smells really good. It smells like the Rejuvenate oil. So if you love that lemony scent, that's what you're going to get through here. So just working it through. I should have grabbed a towel before I did this, but that's okay. That is real life, folks, real life. I try to bring you real life. So here we go. So let me know your thoughts. And if there's this is a hairstyle that you've been wanting. I have a big chunk in the back that I missed. So I'm using just a dab with a little bit more. I did 3 pumps in the back where I missed, because let's face it, with all this hair, you're bound to miss something. All right. So see, my curls are coming out. And then if you want to, after you do all of this, you can definitely diffuse it, continuing that scrunching motion. Gosh, this is a lot of work. Maybe this is why I don't do it all the time. All right, so the last step that I'm going to use, and this is new, so I have to open it, curl cream. I absolutely love this. My sister uses this and the air dry cream to get beachy waves. However, she does have much thinner hair, not much thinner hair anymore, but thinner, straighter hair than I do. So she uses the air dry cream first and then the curl cream second. She wraps them up in little buns, like Princess Leia buns, I tell her. And then she lets it air dry with those buns. And sorry, I saw something clicking. I wasn't sure if anybody was on because I wasn't ready to go live yet. So she uses those Princess Leia buns. She'll get her style for 5 to 6 days with those beachy waves. So this curl cream smells amazing. And my lid isn't working. There we go. And for this, I used 2 little round scoops. All right, so that's what I used. If you could see it. And I'm just going to add this into my hair to amplify those curls. It smells really, really good. But this is the best way that I have learned, my little cocktail, right? To have my curly hairstyle without the frizz. So that's all I have for you today. If you found value in this and you're like, oh my gosh, I love your curls, I want to share it with somebody, please feel free to share this. All of my videos that I do are for you to share, are for you to educate yourself on how to use the products. And I just want you to love your hair. That's really all it is. So what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this style, but also if you know what kind of other hair tutorials you want to use. I smell amazing right now. I love it. I'm probably just going to go run a blow dryer through it real quick. I don't really use very much heat on my hair. If this is a hairstyle that you're like, oh, for second day, I'd probably want to curl it. I would simply add in the blowout cream at the end just for that added layer of heat protection. So thanks again for being here. I really appreciate you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.